Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to load gender data in Excel source into separate tables. So first I will show my document. This is my Excel source which contains 5 columns. So this is all related to person data. So here if you see I have two genders, male or female. The total number of records are 1000 records and male 500 rows and female female person details have 500 rows. So I want to load this data into database tables. This is my healthcare database. I want to load this data into separately. For for male I am creating one table and for female I am creating one table and load all those 1000 records into this database tables which is there in healthcare database. So and see here data is the sheet name in my Excel sheet. Okay. For that I am taking a new package, dragging data flow task into control flow pane, double click to configure. So I am using here Excel source, browse. So this is my Excel sheet, open, and this is my Excel version. Now open your sheet name. So this is the data. So go to columns. These are the columns in the Excel sheet. Now I am using the transformation called conditional split to split the data in the gender column. Double click. Now here in the columns, expand columns, and drag the gender in the condition. So here you need to write a condition equal to, if the gender equal to female, the gender equal to female, and your output name is female. Now every conditional split has default output also there. So I am mentioning the default output as male. This is female and this is male. And now, so I used to take two OLDB destinations for male and female. So here take male here and from here move to female. So now I am changing this as male and this as female. So double click to configure and select your database. So here I want to load into this database healthcare and click OK and select tabular view fast load. So create a table. So right now I don't have any table. I want to create a male table here and click OK. Go to mappings and click OK. Like that you create table for female. Go to mappings. OK. Now all set. So before that you need to check the data inside your table. Select start from male. Now female and execute. See, there are no records inside the table. Okay, now I want to run the package. Once after running the package, you will see 500 records in male table and 500 records in female table. See, 1000 rows are moved from Excel source to conditional split based on the condition. So it is the 500 rows moved to male output and 500 moves to female output. And check your table. Select count star. 500 each. So this is how you know to split the Excel data based on using the conditional split. As per your condition, you need to split the data in the in your Excel column. You need to configure the OLB destination accordingly and load the data. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.